I recently came across the DealSeek app being advertised as a free shopping tool that helps users find Amazon promo codes, coupons, and discounted products. The company claims it verifies promo codes before listing them, highlights price drops, and uses a combination of technology and manual review to identify genuine savings. With hundreds of thousands of downloads and strong ratings, it sounds like a useful tool for anyone who shops on Amazon. But does it actually work? I decided to find out. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. Let me start with what the company says. DealSeek is a free shopping app available on both iOS and Android that helps users discover Amazon promo codes, coupons, and discounted products. According to the company, every coupon is verified before it's listed to ensure it actually works. The app highlights price drops and uses a combination of automated scanning and manual review to surface deals that offer genuine savings rather than inflated discounts. Purchases are completed directly through Amazon, so the app never processes your payment information. But when I started looking into the details, some important considerations came up. The marketing presents DealSeek as a powerful money-saving tool, and the app has attracted hundreds of thousands of downloads with strong ratings on both the App Store and Google Play. The company appears to be transparent about its value proposition, making it clear that savings aren't guaranteed on every product. Here's how the app functions. It scans Amazon for products that have hidden coupon codes or price drops and presents them to users in an easy-to-browse feed. Users can then click through to Amazon to complete their purchase with the discount applied. Since purchases happen directly on Amazon, the app doesn't have access to your payment details. This is a positive trust signal. The biggest question is whether it actually works. Many users report saving money on Amazon purchases and say the app is easy to use. Trustpilot reviews show a largely positive reputation, with customers praising the verified discounts and straightforward interface. The app maintains strong ratings on both major app stores. However, not every product includes an additional coupon. Some users say the app simply highlights prices that are already discounted on Amazon rather than providing exclusive savings. Others complain about frequent deal notifications and the lack of support outside the United States. If you're shopping internationally, the app may be less useful. This is a positive point. ScamAdvisor rates the website as likely safe, noting its long domain history, valid SSL certificate, and strong web traffic. Since purchases are completed directly through Amazon rather than inside the app, DealSeek doesn't process your payment information. That's a significant security advantage compared to apps that handle transactions directly. The app doesn't publish detailed statistics about average savings or the percentage of products that have active coupon codes. While the company has provided some validation, the app has been featured by reputable tech outlets like TechRadar. It's worth noting that not every product will have a discount available. Your results will vary depending on what you're searching for. DealSeek appears to be a genuine app in the coupon finding category, similar to services like Honey or Capital One Shopping. The app has been active long enough to have a legitimate user base and independent reviews. This isn't a fly-by-night operation. However, it's worth noting that the app is fundamentally a deal aggregator. It highlights discounts that exist, but doesn't create them. Trustpilot shows a largely positive reputation, and the app has strong ratings on both app stores. The positive feedback from multiple independent platforms is a good sign that the app delivers on its core promise. However, some users express frustration about the frequency of deal notifications and note that the app works best for Amazon US. So, is DealSeek worth downloading? In my opinion, yes. If you shop on Amazon regularly, it's worth trying, but with realistic expectations. The app appears to be a legitimate tool that can help shoppers save money. It won't uncover massive discounts on every product, but it can be a useful way to find verified promo codes and price drops without much extra effort. The fact that purchases are completed directly through Amazon is a significant security advantage. Just keep your expectations realistic. Some users find the deals helpful, while others feel the savings are modest. If you're a frequent Amazon shopper, it's a free tool that might save you a few dollars here and there. Just be aware of the notification frequency and note that the app works best in the US. Have you tried DealSeek or a similar coupon finding app? Drop your experience in the comments below. I read every one. And if you found this research helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation.